to talk to you too about our upcoming event. It's called the Day of the Fair. And we're going to have it here at, it'll be through Facebook, so you can do it at home. But we'll be monitoring here at the store. But it'll be on May 6th or 17th. 16th or 17th of May. And we still have room for the Sunday class. These are some of the projects that we're going to be doing. The pot holder and this nice little pie carrier. It's really cute. We're going to be doing that. And the chicken pot holder.
I like the chicken pot holder. That is really, really cute.
And the nice little to carry your pies, and then this cute little towel. So you'll be doing all three projects. It's a one-day event. I did want to show you, we have all the fabric here as well. We got all the different fabrics available, and if you spend $100 or more, you'll get these cute little bonus CD, and we have some of the samples up here to show you.
It's a great way to decorate towels, your kitchen towels.
Yeah,
awesome,
super.
Awesome. Quick and easy.
And you'll get a little treat bag. We've got chocolates and all kinds of things. So, you know, come join us at the Day at the Fair.